All right, it is field trip Friday
time.
That's right. And so today we decided to go to the Homestead crater. We've never been here before, but apparently there's a crater up here that has a
hot spring.
Hot spring, couldn't think of the word. So we're gonna go in, and then from there we will probably go do a restaurant review, go check out a couple maybe restaurants up here in Midway. And I should have said that we're in Midway, Utah, just about 45 minutes outside of Salt Lake City. And so a hot spring and a natural crater, and let's go do this. All right, so at the top of this staircase, you can look down into the crater. There's a bridge that goes over the top of the crater, and you can actually look down into the crater. However, it was covered, so there wasn't really much to see, other than the fact that there was a spectacular view up at the top of this staircase, which you will see. The Homestead Resort has, I think, approximately about 5 swimming pools, which the kids just had an absolute blast at. So when you book a time to swim in the Homestead crater, you're given a specific designated time. And when you show up, this is the door that you're going to enter into the crater, but there's a sign on the door that says, please do not come in until it is your time. There's not a whole lot of room inside the crater, so with the people leaving and new people coming in, by everybody staying outside until it's their time, it just helps keep traffic flow moving rather easily. So when you swim in the Homestead crater, they do require you to wear one of their life jackets. Now, you do have the option to rent a snorkel if you choose to, or you don't have to. So we decided to rent snorkels for the kids so that as they swam, they could look underwater and just see whatever there is to see underwater. We did not get snorkels, my wife and I ourselves, but the kids had a great time. We had a great time. The water was nice and warm. I highly recommend, if you are ever in the Midway area, going and checking out the Midway crater. Now, we also chose to stay at the Homestead Resort. So once we left the Homestead crater, we just headed over to the Homestead Resort, checked in, got our hotel room, and then went and played in the pool the rest of the day.